Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make a Halloween banner. We're going to be using these fondants, purple, yellow, orange, black, and white. And we're also going to be using a few tools that you can find on my website. Stay tuned. I'm going to start by adding a little cornstarch to my fondant to make it easy to roll out and so it doesn't stick to my board. I'm going to roll out my fondant and I'll show you exactly how thick I made it. About that thick. I'm going to take my cutter and press down on my fondant. I like to move my fondant away before I move it away from my cutter. So here's my little cutout. And I'm going to repeat this same process for all the other colors that's going to be a part of that banner. So I'm going to do it for the orange and the yellow. Stay tuned. If you find that your fondant has any type of marks in it, you can always use a fondant smoother to smooth those imperfections out before you actually finish your piece. I'm going to go ahead and cut out my last one. I've already cut out the other two. And if you see that you have any rough edges, you can always use this tool to kind of smooth those edges out, just to make sure everything is perfectly neat and clean. I like to add a little detail to my pieces. So this is one of my favorite tools. It comes with 3 different interchangeable heads. I'm going to use this one to make the stitching mark on my fondant little flags. So just kind of take my time and go around. I don't want to press too hard because I don't want to get my little flag out of shape. Just kind of go around, add your detail, and it gives your flags a little extra something. Another little added detail in our flags, I'm going to put these little holes at the end, which I'm going to feed our white fondant rope in. So all I did was I used this balling tool and I pressed down a little bit, just enough to make the indentation. And I came back with this tool to make sure I put my flag back in shape. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and make our little rope for our banner. And I just cut 2 of them to size. And I'm gonna then put them in those little holes that I made previously. Stick them in. Give your banner a little movement. And I have one for this one. And I'm just sticking those right into the holes that I previously made. You can make these as long or as short as you like. And then we have one for each end. You can add a little curl to it, leave it straight, make a bow. It's completely up to you. I'm going to use the tappets to make the alphabets for my banner. And all I do is I roll my fondant real thin. I add extra cornstarch so it'll come out easy. Press down firmly. Flip it over, and I always run my finger across it. I pop out the middles, and then I do just what it's supposed to do. I tap it. And it normally comes out pretty easy. There you have it.